Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare the Epimaker Wisteria and Zebra Linear mechanical keyboard switches. We'll dive into their unique characteristics, from actuation force and travel distance to their distinct sound profiles. Understanding these differences is key to finding the perfect switch for your typing style, whether you prefer a lighter touch or a more substantial feel. Join me as we explore what makes each of these switches stand out in the crowded world of mechanical keyboards. The Epimaker Wisteria Linear Switch is crafted with a POM and PTFE stem, housed in a polycarbonate top and PA66 nylon bottom. It boasts an actuation force of 45 grams and a pre-travel of 2.2 millimeters, with a total travel of 3.6 millimeters. Its extra-long 20.4 millimeter spring contributes to a smooth feel. Many users find its sound profile to be balanced, often described as thocky or creamy, offering a satisfying typing experience right out of the box thanks to its factory lubrication. Moving on to the Epimaker Zebra Linear Switch, you'll find a POM stem paired with a polycarbonate top and nylon bottom housing. This switch is known for its lighter actuation force of 40 grams and a shorter pre-travel of 1.8 millimeters. It has a total travel of 3.8 millimeters, and its 21 millimeter long spring provides a snappy and responsive feel. The sound profile is frequently described as creamy, smooth, and can offer a deep, lively tone, making it a popular choice for those seeking a distinct auditory experience. So, which linear switch is best for you? If you prefer a slightly more substantial feel with a 45-gram actuation force and a balanced, potentially thockier sound, the Wisteria might be your ideal match. However, if you lean towards a lighter, snappier feel with a 40-gram actuation and a creamy, often deeper sound profile, the Zebra could be the perfect fit. Both are excellent, factory-lubricated options, ensuring a smooth experience. Ultimately, your personal typing preference and desired auditory feedback will guide your decision.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.